Hey, you trader Shane from GMT Futures and FX. Welcome back. I'm going to take you through our gold strategy running on the VFI, and this is running on a 233 tick, and we've got a double system here. So the idea behind that was to put two systems together that would complement each other, would reduce the drawdown, and overall increase the overall max profit on these strategies. So it's looking at a portfolio approach rather than just a single system approach, that multi-system strategy. And we're at the midpoint of the year, so it's a great time to review our systems and have a look at how they've performed for the first 3 to 6 months of this year. And we're going to have a look at these two systems side by side. So let's jump in and have a look at the gold systems running on the VFI. Cheers. So firstly, we'll have a look at our VFI strategy. Now we're trading two systems on, or two settings on the gold 233 tick, so it's a double strategy. And the reason for that is that they're just complementing each other. So just to give you an indication of what happened this week, so we've got our result for this week was finishing for June 1665, so on strategy one, so two winning trades. But on the second system, on the second setup, same chart, slightly different settings, we actually had a loser of 615. So you can see there that they're actually offsetting each other nicely. So we end up positive by just over $1,000. So traders, let's have a look at our benchmark stats on these systems. So system one is tracking with an average trade net profit of 466, 51% win rate, 43 trades. So it's a swing trading system. It's not an intraday system. So it'll hold trades overnight and obviously for a number of days. Max drawdown there is 3k, so that's system number one. Our second system, our overlay system on this, running on a 233 tick as well, and we'll just bring the stats up on this one. Less obviously overall profit, but a much bigger average trade net profit, 605. So that's huge. We've got slippage and commissions broken into this strategy as well, and the max drawdown on this one is 1290. So you've got a really, really good complementary strategy. As I said before, they're sitting together nicely at the moment. So our ratio of average win to loss is 3.29. So just two really good strategies. As I said, we finished the week again on a positive note there. So negative 615 on system number one. On system number two there, we ended up with 1665. So we end up just over $1,000. Alright traders, so what I've done is I've tabulated these results for the two systems, system 1 and 2 on the VFI on gold 233 tick, and you'll see there that there's only one occasion which occurred on the 7th of June where we had a losing week on both systems, so 65 and then obviously negative 900, so $1,500, just over 1565 in a drawdown for the week. But you can see there that it does a really good job of actually just keeping you positive throughout the whole period. So that the combination of the two systems works really well together. When we're looking at developing our portfolio, we're looking at putting systems that work really well together, and that's what we've achieved with this 233 tick. Hey you traders, thanks for joining us on this holiday weekend. Hope you're having a fantastic break, and we'll be going through a couple of more updates later today on some of our other systems, particularly tracking on coffee, heating oil, gasoline, the Russell, and a couple of the other markets that we're trading, just to give you an idea of what's happening within GMT futures, and a look at some of the systems that we're running and how they're performing, because we're at the mid-year point, so it's good to do a little bit of a review. So thanks for your time, have a fantastic holiday weekend, and we'll catch you on the next update. Cheers.